Wagwan guys, welcome back to another episode of Life with Kim in Jamaica. So guys, I go down at the beach side behind my house. I Ronaldo, I'm looking never them there on the beach right now. Well, I seen guys become a beach earlier this one, but I never remember what the phone, I'm so tired, somebody want to sleep, somebody have plan for going back to sleep. Yes, baby. So guys, you see the background, you see the view, the beach behind me. Guys, it's alright behind my house, guys. So them they only a nice view down here now. And guys, me I look straight across from Navy Island. You see, there's a lot of view. There's a lot of view coming from Navy Island side, guys. Calm, water calm and nice today, guys. You want to take sun bath? Guys, run over there, You want ice cream? Yeah. You eat too much ice cream. Big swimmer them, guys. Back in the days, those were the days. And music there see us swim. So guys, me are going on a local tour, so I just watch a free. So when I come up, I can link me up same way, Or I look at swim. And next door over there, so guys, is where Oshe 876 kitchen. I'm gonna give you a tour in one of them days here when we have on Sunday day off, because we're Monday to Saturday, so I'm not have much time to do so, and sometimes work on Sundays, so nice little stretch guys, and you see you down here clean and pretty. Well clean. But look at the better thing, guys. I have the fishermen them that them boat out there, so it says Norwich Port Antonio, guys. Norwich Port Antonio. So we have a whole heap of nice pretty view. A lot of nice pretty view. Guys, I don't know what them thing here called. All my life me I see them, and I don't know what is the name of these things. As this is where I grew up in, so this is the beach that we used to have access to back in the days, but now persons saying that is their place and all of that, so they put up them signs say no trespassing and trespassers will be prosecuted. Yeah guys, so you know what the shop say already. Hey boy, ain't gonna left you. Ain't gonna left you. And we're close to the Motherbeck Beach also, guys, so we're looking at now. We can walk on the rocks and go around to Motherbeck Beach. Guys, that's a lot of journey too, and the rocks them sharp. Them call the rocks them honeycomb rocks. Very sharp. Very sharp. And a nice white cloud there. Hey, Jamaica nice, I swear Jamaica nice. Where else you can go get them pretty nice view here. Access to beaches like so nice though. Yeah, look, this year I still not get up much sleep because I'm not really the day sleeper, and I still go cook dinner and all of that, so I'm still tired. I'm still not get much sleep. And I them a burn me from morning. I use eye drops, but still it a burn me somewhat. Nice background, And take a lot of cute pictures and all of that. Watch free right now. Kyle. Hi. Hi, Kyle. Hi, Kyle. Say hi. So guys, that's one of my nephew on your son, so yeah. Ouch. Sorry this man. I know guys, we are going to go back up the press. First me and Monica close them for work and school, and I want here for go home in the evening, you know. So guys, this is a fish pot. If you guys remember Africa Island Boy videos, them I always see them making fish pots them guys. So yeah. Can't really go too close down here, so you know, because the music I play where O'Shea keep him so. Tired, me fresh up. Tired. It's gonna have back to the water soon, because it's not really my favorite place. I always gotta see that beach for the entertainment and not for the water. Yeah, I always see the entertainment, not for the water. The boys in there. We got the water at 4 o'clock this evening, so I water and the guys are doing that. Don't splash me now. Tired. You tired? You're weak. You're weak. You're young enough, friend. What kind of tired? You're young enough.
How long were they asking?
I don't know how long you done here asking.
No remember say I did go sit
Malika, let you down. Why? And guys, please remember to tell a friend, invite a friend over to my page, guys, so they can like, subscribe, share, follow me, so I can reach 1K subscriber. And thanks to all my subscribers. Thanks guys for being there for me every step of the way, guiding the same way. Respect and thanks and blessing. Here, peace. Here, or out. There. I'm gonna cook you with it. No, you're not sure, man. You only tell me say you want to be architect, but I'm not seeing it where you draw. Yeah, guys, you know, say Ronaldo say he want to be architect. Want to go to art when he left school to go get his certificate in that field like that. That's one good feeling. You need a T-square. Yeah, so that is something there then. So I'm taking geometry set. We always have geometry set happening. Oh my God, me hard. Later.